Hey, Rick Steel Customs, coming at you today with another video. This time on my little Scooby Chevrolet G10. If you got yourself one of these, then you might be experiencing the same issue that I'm experiencing, and that is door latches, how to open the doors. Now, on this particular van, it's very difficult to find replacement parts for it. This is a new door latching mechanism that I picked up for a 66 C10 pickup, and they work perfectly. They come with the little spacers in here, but to get the arm is totally different. And the interior latching mechanism, which goes right in here, that works as well. In fact, I stuck it on this side. It's also from a 66. And I'll show you that. That's off 66 C10 pickup. Works great. The latching mechanism attaches here with these 3 screws, and it comes over here. It's got a straight rod. But the 66, unfortunately, is a crooked rod. This is the original for this side. But look how nice it shuts. And it doesn't shake or rattle. Shake, rattle, or roll. I just fixed the doors on my 73. I actually went to the junkyard and I picked up a set of door hinges from a 1995 Chevrolet G10 van. Turns out they're different, at least on the upper portion. The lower one is the same. So from 71 all the way up to 1995, the lower door hinge is the same. However, the upper door hinge is different. Oh, come on. Where are you? Unfortunately, I don't have one to show you. Well, this is one right here. This is half of one. These two pieces go together. Okay, now the side that goes on the door jamb is the same, but the side that goes into the A-pillar is different. You can see right here. You got 3 bolts, and on this side you got 4. Not that it uses 4, it actually only uses 3. This one, and this one. But you're not going to have a center hole right here to screw your mounting nut into. Now, if you don't mind just using 2 bolts, then you can go ahead and use one of these hinges. If not, you're going to be stuck with replacing the pins, which you can also do. Just pull the pin out, and then there's a kit, and you can rebuild those hinges with the kit. Here we go. This is a kit right here. Sorry the bag is so opaque, but it's got these, what I like to call little hats, but they're basically bushings that you have to press in, and you can see one in there from the factory. But anyway, getting back to this deal that I'm working on now, Scooby van. This is an original. And you can see the rod is perfectly straight. Now you can get this one, which is very similar, from a 66 C10 pickup. Very similar until you get right here. Then you'll notice it's actually longer. By that much. And of course, it has an elbow on it. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to cut out this portion of elbow. Remove that, throw that away. And then weld that piece on nice and straight. And then you'll have a 64 to probably 1970 Chevrolet Scooby van door latch. But anyway, I'm going to keep this video really short because this camera, for some reason, likes to overheat and shut down. But if you got anything out of this video, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. Hit that like button and subscribe while you're at it. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the bell icon. But of course, this is only going to work if you got a buddy or who has a welder, or you own one of your own. But I don't imagine a welding shop is going to charge you much more than a few dollars to weld each one of these up, which I'm going to do right now. So I would show you that, but like I said, this phone is only good for about 15 minutes before it shuts down. I'm basically a novice welder, but that machine makes me a professional. It does a hell of a good job. Also, guys, I came up with this idea. I took a grounding rod, hammered it into the ground a few feet, took some jumper cables, hooked them to that copper grounding rod, copper coated anyway, and then connected them to my welding bench to try and prevent me from getting electrocuted. You guys think this will work? I'm not sure if it will, but if I'm alive tomorrow, well, I guess maybe that was an indication that it does work. But the odds of getting electrocuted by welding is you'd have to do something pretty stupid. Don't stand in water when you're welding. Don't have your hand on the table while you're welding and then wipe sweat off your forehead while holding the welding gun. But anyway, again, if you guys think that'll work, let me know. I'm curious. Have you ever done that before? That type of setup? I haven't seen anybody do it yet, but I could be wrong. I can't be the only one to have thought about that. But anyway, guys, again, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Have a great one. Rick Steel Customs out.